Big moves are happening in Formula One. Sauber is making a bold step forward as they prepare for their transition into Audi's works team by 2026. And their latest announcement, a brand new UK-based technical center. Let's break down what this means for the team, Audi's F1 ambitions, and how this move could shake up the grid. So what's the big news? Sauber, the team currently racing under the Stake F1 team banner, is setting up a new technical facility in the UK. This is a major development because up until now, their headquarters and operations have been based in Hinwil, Switzerland. Why the UK? Well, the UK is considered the beating heart of Formula One engineering. It's home to many leading F1 teams, top-tier talent, and world-class suppliers. By opening this technical center, Sauber is making itself more accessible to the best minds in motorsport. And with Audi gearing up to take full control of the team by 2026, this move is a clear sign of their serious investment in F1. This transition to an Audi works team isn't just about a name change, it's about performance. Audi wants to hit the ground running in 2026 when the new engine regulations come into play. And to do that, they need top engineers, cutting-edge technology, and a seamless collaboration between their existing base in Germany and this new UK center. And let's not forget the power unit side of things. Audi is already developing its own F1 engine at its Newburgh facility in Germany. Now, with a strong technical presence in the UK, they're ensuring that chassis and aerodynamic development are just as competitive. So what does this mean for the grid? Well, Audi isn't here to just participate, they want to win. By setting up this UK technical center, they're putting themselves in a stronger position to attract top-tier talent, develop a competitive car, and be ready to fight from the start in 2026. For Sauber, this move is about evolution. Right now, they're in a transition phase, but by the time Audi fully takes over, this could be a team capable of challenging the midfield and maybe even the front runners. But let's be real, success in F1 isn't instant. Even with Audi's backing, it'll take time to build a race-winning machine. However, this technical expansion shows they're laying down the right foundation. So to sum it up, Sauber's new UK technical center is a game-changing move. It brings them closer to F1's engineering powerhouse, strengthens their transition into the Audi works team, and positions them to be a serious contender in 2026 and beyond. What do you think? Can Audi hit the ground running in F1, or will they face the same struggles as other new manufacturers? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more F1 updates.